Can you detect AI-generated content? Take the ultimate AI quiz. AI often struggles with realistic lighting, leading to unnatural shadows. GPT-0 was developed to identify text produced by AI models like GPT. Students might use AI to generate essays, leading to plagiarism concerns. AI-generated audio often lacks the emotional depth of human speech. CodeLeaks identifies AI-generated code from platforms like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. AI-generated poems can sometimes be mistaken for human-written ones due to their structure and style. AI often struggles with rendering human hands accurately, leading to anomalies. Undetectable.ai modifies AI-generated text to evade detection tools. Some tools may incorrectly label human-written content as AI-generated. AI-generated music may lack the emotional nuances present in human performances. AI-generated videos might display mismatched lip movements and audio. AI can generate realistic yet false information, leading to misinformation. OpenLMS partnered with CopyLeaks to detect AI-generated content. Critics argue that AI art lacks the creativity and intentionality of human-made art. AI-generated stories often follow formulaic structures, lacking the depth of human creativity. As AI models improve, their outputs become more indistinguishable from human-created content. AI might generate news content that appears credible but is inaccurate or misleading. CopyLeaks provides a Chrome extension to verify online content. AI can generate content quickly, reducing the need for human writers and associated costs. Publishers are developing methods to identify and manage AI-generated submissions. AI-generated ads might mislead consumers by creating unrealistic portrayals. Inaccurate detections can lead to wrongful allegations against students. Monitoring AI outputs helps maintain quality and appropriateness in customer interactions. AI often struggles with crafting unique and imaginative expressions. AI struggles with generating realistic hands and symmetrical facial features, often leading to distorted or extra fingers.